Hello viewers, today I shall discuss about a very interesting topic. The topic is the nature is mathematical, that is, the nature is mathematically oriented. Mathematics is everywhere in the nature. We can explore mathematical patterns in so many structures in the nature. If we look the world around us, we can see amazing geometrical shapes and patterns. We see regular hexagonal shapes in the honeycombs, that is bees hives. If we look at the ripples of a pond, what we can see? We can see there are numerous concentric circles. Even if we throw a ball in the air, its path of the motion is a parabola, that is geometrical shape. The mathematical patterns could be found in the outer world also. For example, the paths of the motions of the planets are elliptical. The universe itself is spherical. There are varieties of geometrical shapes in the spider web also. Living evergreen trees like pines, firs, bushes, etc. have the shape of pyramid. Leonardo da Pisano, better known as Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician, noticed first the repeating spiral patterns in the nature. He had also discovered a sequence. This sequence is this 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 and so on. This sequence is known as Fibonacci sequence. And also the ratio of two consecutive terms are written here, and these ratios are close to the ratio 1.618. This ratio is called golden ratio. Here we have drawn many squares of different size. The lengths of the sides of these squares are taken from this Fibonacci sequence. The size of the squares are 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 13 plus 13, 21 plus 21 and so on. Here a figure is drawn by connecting the two opposite corners of each of the squares, and this figure is called Fibonacci spirals. This is called Fibonacci spirals. These spirals, they are the golden ratio. The golden ratio is the basis of the formation of the spiral. Their golden ratio exists in the structure of these spirals. Fibonacci spirals could be found in many natural things, living bodies, structures, etc. There are numerous examples like pines, sunflowers, Buena papers, chickens' eggs, Nautilus shells, etc., where Fibonacci spirals could be found, that is, golden ratio exists. Here, I shall show you some photographies of natural things where golden ratio could be found. These are the natural things. There are some photographies of plants, trees, flowers, etc., where Fibonacci spiral is found. These are the natural things where Fibonacci spiral is found. So, Fibonacci spiral is found everywhere in the nature. Fibonacci spirals, that is golden ratio, creates many natural beauties. It created heavenly beauty in the portrait of Mona Lisa painted by world famous artist Leonardo da Vinci. On the other hand, mathematics describes many natural laws, natural phenomena. For few simple examples of these phenomena, that is natural laws, are Newton's laws of motion, gravitational law, Coulomb's law, Mendel's laws of hybridization, etc. According to the opinion of theists, the God, the Almighty, had created this universe. So we can imagine that all natural things, natural beauties, that is universe, is created by the God using mathematics. Thanks for watching my video. See you next.